Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you Mac tricks and shortcuts that can turn you into a power user. If you want to use your Mac like a power user, learning a few advanced tricks and keyboard shortcuts can help you save time and work more efficiently. To get started, open Launchpad from the dock at the bottom of your screen. This will display all the applications currently installed on your Mac. Next, click the App Store icon to open Apple's official app marketplace. Once the App Store launches, you'll arrive on the Discover page, where you can browse productivity tools, utilities, and apps that can improve your daily workflow. If you'd like to find apps that help boost productivity, click the search bar on the left side. For example, you can type shortcuts to discover automation and workflow apps that can help you complete tasks faster. Now, let's look at some useful Mac tricks and shortcuts. Press Command plus space to instantly open Spotlight Search and quickly find apps, files, and settings. Use Command plus Tab to switch between open applications without touching your mouse. Press Command plus Shift plus 4 to capture a selected area of your screen, and use Command plus H to quickly hide the current application. Power users also take advantage of multitasking features, quick searches, and keyboard shortcuts to reduce repetitive actions. The more shortcuts you learn, the faster you'll be able to navigate your Mac and complete everyday tasks. If you find an app that can improve your workflow, click the Get button beside it and confirm the installation with your Apple ID if prompted. Once installed, the app will automatically appear in Launchpad and be ready to use. With consistent practice, these tricks and shortcuts can help you work smarter, stay organized, and get more done throughout the day. Quick tip: focus on using one new shortcut every day until it becomes a habit before moving on to the next one.